This is a demonstration of how to upload weekly ads to our Brilliance application. Depending on whether or not you would like to use a database already in place for retrieving weekly ad information, this simple platform-independent Java application will allow for a standalone method for uploading weekly ads into our Firebase web database. So the Firebase web database is where the Brilliance Android application will retrieve the weekly ad information. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So on our Nook HD, we'll notice in the All category that there's 10 items listed. And these are things that I showed you in the previous video. So we can see the ads that we have in here. So we're going to want to add a new ad to our application. So we'll go over here to the Ad Loader Android application. Java application. And we'll notice in the first category, choose a store. You can choose from the list of stores. So we'll keep it as Afton. You can also choose a sale item. And if you click on this drop-down menu, you'll notice that it has all of the current items that are in the database right now. And then there's the option for create new ad. So I've already pre-populated a lot of these values. So I put oranges as the product name, $1.50 per pound for the product price. For the product description, I put ripe delicious oranges. You can choose a category that it filters by. So I have it as produce. And you can enter the ad start date, which is 10/20, and then the ad end date. Last thing we have to do is add a picture. So I have a picture in here that I'll use for oranges. And then all we have to do is hit the Update Create Ad button. We'll notice in this drop-down list again that oranges shows up here. Now going back to our Android application, we'll notice that in the All category, it just got updated to 11 items. So we go in here, and we'll scroll down, and we'll see at the end of the list, oranges has now been added to our weekly ads. Okay. And we can also edit this item as well, just as easily. Going to oranges, and then we'll go ahead and change the product price to $2.50 a pound. And we'll hit the Update Create Ad button. And in order to see the changes, we'll go ahead and go back, and go to this menu, and then we go back into All, scroll down, and okay, it might take a little bit longer to update than that, so we'll give it just a couple more seconds. There it is. So now it's updated to $2.50 a pound. So it takes about a good minute for it to update. And that's pretty much the basics of using the Ad Uploader application.